Am I suspected of committing a crime? Is there a warrant for my arrest? No.
Maybe I want to find that out.
Well, like I said, go look for Kevin's name.
I need your last name to see if you have a warrant.
I don't need to give you any information if I'm not suspected of committing a crime, officer.
Well, you need to prove your identity to me.
I do not need to prove anything to you.
You need to prove your identity to me.
No, I
so
don't.
You have,
Welcome back, everybody, to the LackLuster channel. Today's video is a short one from long ago, 2014, November 3rd, from Edward Kimmock Jr. If you like what you see, head on over there and let him know that I sent you. Edward appears to be a teenager at this time when the Hunterdon County Sheriff's Investigation Unit and the New Jersey State Police show up at his house looking for a guy that's not him. Knowing that it's not him, that he hasn't committed any crimes, and that a search warrant is different than an arrest warrant, Edward is able to stave off a baseless search of his home. Considering that this was 6 years ago, and that videos like this were few and far between, I'm impressed that this guy knew his rights and flexed them. I'll tell you what, if he was my kid, I'd be proud. Anyway guys, here's the video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and head on over to Edward's channel and give him the love he deserves.
there.
Sure.
Yeah. What's your name again?
Ed?
Sound a little nervous.
No.
Are you lying to me?
No.
No?
I'm lying to you.
You sure your name's not Kevin?
How tall is Kevin?
I don't know.
Well, you're the one looking for him, aren't you?
It's in the
Shouldn't
file.
you- well, go look how tall he is.
You don't have ID on you?
Do I have to give you ID?
Prove you're who you are, yeah.
Well, go back to your computer, go look how tall Kevin is, and then look how
tall's
tall
Kevin?
I am. He's 5'9".
Okay.
Do I look 5'9"
Where's
to you?
Kevin at?
I don't know.
He lives here, right?
As far as I know, but he's not here. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. He's not here.
Does Skylar live here with you?
Does Scott?
Skylar.
Skylar? No.
Do you know a Skylar?
Kevin used to date her like a year ago.
Okay. Well,
They haven't even been together.
that's what I'm asking.
Okay. Well, he's not here. I mean, if he is here, I'll let you guys know. Do you have like a business card or something?
I'll get you one.
Okay.
Scott, get the file and a card up on the light, please, for me. The file's on the passenger seat.
Yeah, he hasn't been here in like 3 days.
Where's he go? Do you know?
No, he disappeared like 3 days ago. I haven't even been able to get a hold of him since then.
Do you have a cell number for him?
It's out of minutes, so it's pretty much useless.
Do you have one?
I mean, I'd rather just not give out any more information.
Can I look in the house?
Do you have a warrant?
Yeah, I have a warrant for him, yes, I do.
Do you have a search warrant?
Do you want me to get one?
I mean, if it's necessary.
Listen, I'm going to tell you right now, if Kevin's in that house and you're hiding him, you're getting charged. You
I'm
want to get charged?
I'm completely aware of that, but since he's not in there, I'm not scared of you threatening me.
Okay. You seem real nervous. Why?
No,
Is he home?
I'm not nervous. If he was home, I would tell you.
And I'm going to believe that.
Okay, well, that's your prerogative, officer. So, I mean, if you want to go down to the point where you need a search warrant to go search in an empty house, then by all means go for it. But he's not here. If you don't want to take my word for it, that's not my problem.
What's your last name?
I don't have to give you that. Am I suspected of a crime? I don't have to give you any information.
Well, you want to prove your identity to me, right?
I don't have to prove my identity to you, officer. Am I suspected of committing a crime? Is there a warrant for my arrest? No.
Maybe I want to find that out.
Well, like I said, go look for Kevin's name.
I need your last name to see if you have a warrant.
I don't need to give you any information if I'm not suspected of committing a crime, officer.
Well, you need to prove your identity to me.
I do not need to prove anything to you.
You need to prove your identity to me.
No, I
so
don't.
You have,
If you want to go find out who Kevin is, go look at what height he is. I'm not 5'9". Look how tall he is. Do I look like that? No, I don't. So I don't need to give you any information about myself. You're looking for him, not me. I did not commit a crime. I'm sitting here in my house minding my own damn business.
okay, well, if you have no crime to commit, then why won't you let me look in the house?
Because I don't have to. You don't have a search warrant. If you want to go look in the house, go get a search warrant. I'll be happy to go let you look there. But until you do, I don't have to let you in my house. Plain and simple.
They have no respect for anybody, okay? They're like stupid little goddamn savages.
They're bitches,
I mean, I came in there, right, and I was polite, and I was nice to them,
Yeah.
I was cordial, and they completely goddamn disrespected me. Little idiots! Idiots! I was completely disrespectful. They're supposed to be my brothers, right? They're my brothers? No, that's not fun. What they were doing wasn't fun. They kept zapping us and zapping us. Idiots! Savages! Idiots! Idiots! Jesus Christ, dude. Man.
All right, well, if you see Kevin, I advise you to tell him that the best thing to do would be to turn himself in.
Oh, absolutely.
That way I can help him out, maybe get him in and out of court. But if he doesn't, then I can make it hard on him, too.
Idiots! Sandwiches, idiots! Idiots!
Pretty much.
And you're the one that's helping him.
I'm not helping him in any way. If I knew where he was, I'd tell you where he was, but he's not here.
Idiots!
I mean, like I said, he's not here. If he was here, I would tell you. I'm not trying to get in trouble.
Well, that's smart. Okay. Well, you have my card.
Yeah, absolutely. If I see him, I'll let you know.
Give me a call.
But, yeah, I don't know. I'd just rather not, you know, have people going through my house. That's really it. That's what my dad told me. He doesn't want people going through his house. So, I mean, unless you guys absolutely have to necessarily go out and get a search warrant just to look through here, I mean, then by all means go for it. But until then, I'm just going to rather not go that route. That's really it. But if I see him, I'll definitely let you guys know.
Sounds good.
All right. All right, take care, guys.
All right.
Oh, that was fun.
That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.